Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
It will surprise you, but Abege is the one who is doing the pressing for us, and we base our football on pressing high, and he's absolutely very good at it. And if we take him out, then they will come higher in the field. So that was the idea, and he has a good game. You guys want him to do the header. I'm happy with his feet. He scores in training, super goals and stuff. So now he the guy has never played he has only played one striker all his life. So he has to adapt to our game. So this guy has developed so much. From he came until now, he's a different person, different player. And just wait, this guy is going to score.
Okay, so let's.
The match was as expected again. They are a strong side and they are tactically very smart. At the same time, they are a physical side. So we got to play around and inside them. So it was a task that we had to outrun them on the midfield. And we tried in the first half. We struggled a little bit with the field actually, because we wanted to play through the midfield more and then not do too many crossings. I think we did that okay, but we wanted one more goal. And we had a great opportunity in the end of the second half. We took over in the second half much more than in the first half. We organized ourselves differently and the game plan was, they followed the game plan perfectly. Just needed one more goal.